Meaning of inflatable.
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 Inflatable. The term inflatable refers to a type of object or structure that can be inflated with air or another gas. This is typically done using a pump or other device designed for this purpose. The resulting object is usually lightweight and flexible, and can be easily transported or stored when not in use. Inflatables are commonly used for a variety of purposes, including recreational activities like bouncy houses and water slides, as well as practical applications like inflatable boats and emergency shelters. Overall, the term inflatable represents a versatile and useful type of object that can serve many different purposes.